What is universal selector? Well, with universal selector, we can select all HTML elements inside of your HTML document. Universal selector starts with asterisk sign. So if you use asterisk sign and then some set of styles, these styles will be applied on all elements inside of your HTML document.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.